Everyone. Older than 10.
I'll add them without adding a second mortgage to that.
Yep, T-Mobile offers our lowest price ever to add lines.
Alright, Dick.
$5 each. Introducing the HTC HD2. Buy one or another smartphone.
15 minutes. Bird's been in the house, and they still ain't got it.
I am beautiful.
He ran in the freezer. Trying to get him out.
A work of art. A digestive
You're stepping on
tract
it.
should be
I see it,
bronzed,
too.
And an immune system so stunning, my vet
Can you
thinks
see
I'm
him?
the wonder of the world.
Introducing Iams with prebiotics.
When he comes out, he's out. He's done for it.
Strong defenses. Healthy inside, healthy outside.
Oh, hi, girls. Nice day, huh? I am an Iams dog.
Learn more about prebiotics at
Stepping
Iams.com.
all over me,
I take my skincare very seriously, so I'm excited to hear about a new breakthrough from Zeno. It's the Zeno Hotspot. Use at the first sign of a pimple and
Get ready.
Here's your box.
You don't need a box. I got the glove.
He's attacking us. Here he comes. Hank,
Yeah.
come on, come down here. He's looking in my eye.
I got him right here. Got your back, Jeff.
Come on, he's...
Yeah! Oh! Where the hell did he come from? Let's go here.
Over there. He's over there by the basket. By the baby, too.
Hey. Don't move back in there. Don't move. Right there.
He's on that side.
Oh! Come on. You fucker.
He's on the other side.
Get the box, Jeff, and hold it on the side of the TV.
We're gonna try this shit.
Try it again.
Fuck it. There it goes.
Out of my house yet?
We got him. I told you he would come out.
Get it?
Get that fucking thing out my house.
We got it.
That's better. Yeah.
The cat's still out there.
I don't care. We got
It'll
it.
fly away. It'll fly
Its
away.
wings broke. She hit it by the wing.
Oh well. You know how bad.
She's
how much bad
YouTubing
luck-
this shit.
Do you know how much bad luck that is?
Suffered.
Somebody's always died every time.
Now go throw the glove away. Go throw the glove away.
We got
Yeah,
to
throw
let
that
it-
away.
it's
Don't
bleeding.
keep that.
Yeah.